Hello guys, so once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, please and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates whenever I release a new video. So guys, there is techbank.vip over here. In order for you to register an account, you just need to set your wallet name, which can be any name of your choice. You set your wallet password over here, then you confirm the password. The invitation code is also important, so guys, kindly use my referral link in the description box so that you could get an invitation code over here. So guys, after creating this wallet over here, you get 25 phrases, 25 words, which you use to log in a new account each and every day. So guys, that's how you basically need to do in order to register a new account. Over here, I'm already having an account, so I'll just show you how to basically earn with this platform over here. So as you can see, all these options over here, guys, when you come here, you just need to click on the gift button over here. When you click on the gift button, you'll be given a total balance of 17 point something US dollars, and you'll be accumulating some profit on each and every day. So guys, over here, you just click on the receive button each and every day so that you could be able to receive some profit from your main balance over there. So I've received mine already today, so you could see it filled. So I've received this total amount over here, which is 0.059. But remember guys, this is also an investment platform, so you can just click on the learn button over here. We click on the learn button, and over here guys, they say that their investment cycle is 7 days over here, 7 days. So with the 7 days, you need to make a deposit so that you could be earning a daily rate of 1% each and every day over here. So as you can see, I've not made any deposit here, so I'm going to make a deposit right away. So I'll just click on the copy address over here, where they say the minimum for USDT is $2 and for TRX is 5 TRX. So guys, I've already copied it. Let me head back to my Binance account over here. I'll just click on my wallet, click on TRX, then I'll click on withdrawal, send through crypto network over here. I'll just paste my wallet address over here. I'll just paste it over here, choose the network, then guys, I'll just click the minimum over here, click on the withdrawal, confirm it over here. Guys, they will send me some email verification to confirm, so I'll be waiting for my. So guys, welcome back. After some few minutes, I received my amount over here. As you guys can see, I've received my amount over here. So let me click on the learn button over here. I made a deposit of 15 TRX, which will come here as 14 TRX. So guys, as you can see here, 14 TRX is in, and my current investment is ongoing, as you can see over here, and I'll be making a total profit of 0.14 TRX each and every day. So same way guys, if you invest USDT, you'll be making a total profit of 1% each and every day guys, and the 1% of 14 is 0.14, and 1% of 10 USDT is 0.1 each and every day for 7 days guys. So as you can see over here, when you click on more, you could see that my profit over here is 0.1, and whether to withdraw, I can choose to withdraw it each and every day if I want. And guys, the cycle is 7 days over here guys. So as you can see, I've confirmed everything over here guys, and everything is basically working very well on this platform. So let me click on income over here. As you can see from my income, 14 TRX has been added to my account over here, and currently my name is Denzel Crypto over here. So guys, I've confirmed everything for you guys to see that everything over here, my income over here, as you can see, 0.14, mining income over here 0.14. So guys, let me click on my wallet over here. If you want to withdraw, you just click on the transfer button over here. You paste in the balance that you want to withdraw, then you type in your password, then you click on confirm to make a withdrawal guys. So everything over here is really super cool, and you all need to jump onto this platform so that we all could make a lot of profit from this platform. So once again, thank you guys for watching Crypto Denzel. If you find my videos really informative, give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you once again.